you. Good morning, people. Good morning. My shirt says life is a journey. Life is a journey. What? I'm about to make the kids breakfast, but I just want to say good morning to you guys. I'm gonna do some more shout outs because you guys seem to like shout outs, so I'm gonna do some more shout outs once I'm done, because my music is on and I need to, I need to de-stress myself and get prepared for the day. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna do turkey meatballs for the kids, their lunches. I think I have time. It's like 6:52. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm running so late. It's like it's 7:14. I gotta leave here at 7:20. I still have to plate meatball and I haven't even recorded yet. Just hit the oh, I hate when I'm running because my anxiety starts to act up, and I hate that. I hate that, and I don't know how I'm running so late. So I'm gonna go put these stuff in the thermoses and get out of here. Come on, I got a sign. Come on. That's the wrong one. Do I have to sign this? No, I don't have to sign that? When do you have to turn this in? Friday. Friday? If you want. Oh, I don't. You can sign it when it's 7:22. What time does it say on my phone? It says 7:23. Memory card is on point. But anyways, I'm gonna do shout outs right now, and shout outs are based on who comment on my last video. So if you want to shout out, you have to comment on my, like, if you want to shout out tomorrow, you have to comment on this video today. So let's do the shout outs. That video only got 182 views, and it has 9 comments at 9 a.m. 8 a.m. So didn't I tell y'all about my girl Becca Hope? Okay, she's here. Hey Becca, she said, you always make my day happy. You're also very fun to watch. OMG, thanks so much for the shout out. You're welcome, girl. Love you. Cassandra Mitchell. Cassandra, she said, I feel you on the struggle with trying to get a toddler to eat real food instead of booby milk. So hard to say no, it is. Samantha Wicks. I'm sorry if I butchered some of your names. I'm horrible at names. Samantha. She says, I'm first. Hey, girl. Matthias. Matthias. I hope I say that right. Matthias. Carol. Can I call you Carol? Because I'm butchering now the name. Heavy dear, but trust me, I watch every single video. I know you do. Shout out to you. Chardell Nesbitt. Maddie has mad reading skills. Love it. Keep it up, by the way. I enjoy your videos. Thank you, girl. Oh, I'm gonna have to my arm hurts. My arm hurts. Vanessa Kilpatrick. Oh my gosh, you know how I recognize her? Is her comments are always in captions, like they're always bold, so I always see her. She said, girl, you are awesome. Shake them haters off. I love watching you and can't wait for your uploads. You're an amazing mom to handle 5 kids, be a wife and a homemaker and YouTuber. Keep going, sweetheart. God bless to you and the family. XOXO. Thank you, girl. I love you. Oh my gosh, she's always watching. And Kathy again. Hi, Kathy. See, I told you Kathy always come through. It says, OMG, I got a shout out. Thanks, girl. Megan B says, you are a great mother. Thank you. Aww. And Cash, I'm just gonna say Cash, new subby here. Welcome, girl. Welcome to the madness. So that's all shout outs for today. Oh my gosh, my arm hurts so bad. Oh, I can't tell whether or not this personality is Janice, Janice, or Jace. I won't tell y'all though. You guys gotta figure that out. I'm gonna have my husband answer questions in regards to my personalities because he knows them like no get out. So later I'm gonna have him do that, and it's funny. It's really funny for him to talk about them. And I'm gonna show you guys a text message later. Anyways, I'm gonna go hang out with Maddie and figure out, my mother-in-law is coming, so I have to go clean the house. I really have to go clean the house. My last video. What, you want to say hi? Say good morning. Say good morning, guys. Okay, what do you want? You want me to turn the TV on? Yeah. Oh, Lord. Maddie talking, people. I can't. Oh, you okay? Come on. Straighten them legs out. We're such a creature of habits. We do the same thing. There you go. Where's the remote? Ooh, we gotta turn that down. Oh my word. We're just creatures. Oh. Disney. Didn't I do this yesterday? But you gotta make the, she likes thing. My memory card is full. I'll be right back.
But you are my mama, Mom. You gotta stop listening to Jennifer Lopez.
What are you doing? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go upstairs and start laundry. She loves that. You guys know the TikTok app. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah, the TikTok app. She loves it, but I have to be careful because it's not the greatest thing. So anyway, you remember from the apartment, we had a tiny little laundry room, and it would take me all day. Here, not anymore. This washer is like supersized, so I supersize the kids' clothes, and I really don't care because whatever, it's just clothes that they play in on a daily basis. So my mother-in-law is coming today, so I have to make sure my house is completely cleaned and before she comes. So that includes my laundry room. Not a fan of laundry. I hate doing laundry, but I'm just gonna do, I think, 2 loads, and I think that should be enough. So I should be done pretty fast. So let me show you guys. Okay, so this has small, medium, large, and super, and then you have precise fill, which is it fills the water up all the way. So I was gonna change it up, but then I was like, no. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do 2 loads, like I said, and then start on the house. So I use the Gain Flames, and this is the Moonlight Breeze. Before I was just using the original, and I used 2 for a supersized load, and then I use Downy and Unstoppable. I'm almost out, so that's what I'm getting ready to do. I'm gonna pour this in here, and I don't know if you guys do this, but I usually just pour the softener straight into the wash, like straight into the wash. Like, I really don't care. And I do the same with the Downy Unstoppable. I do the same. I just throw it in. Throw it in. I'm out. So that's what I do. And so I'm gonna let this fill up. Oh, I got some in here. I'm gonna clean Madison's room right now. And then I have to put these towels away. So I'm gonna use this Mrs. Meyer's apple cider, and her room is a hot mess. So I'm gonna clean up her room. Madison, it's just I have to take up her doll baby, and I have to change the sheets. So.
As I'm walking by, everyone's so quiet. I know the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it, what you got yourself into. What you got yourself into.
What's up? Excuse me. Can I make your bed? Can I make your bed?
Yeah.
Yes. What do you mean, no? No, we have to make your bed. Her room's all clean. Now she's making a new mess. You making a new mess, mommy? What is that? Let me see. Okay. Thank you. What is it? Alright. You want to play, baby? Where's the baby bottle? You don't know where it is? Okay. Where's her car seat? Where's the baby car seat? Come here, let me put your hair out your face. What's the matter? Okay, come on. Let's put your hair up. Alright, let's put your hair up. Out of your face. The genie baby? Okay, well, we gotta come back. We can't, they can't see. You gotta sit back. You showing them the baby? Where's the baby? Okay, well, we can play. We can play. Hi there, baby. Hi. What's the baby name? Oh, you putting a hat on the baby? Okay. Is it cold outside? Yeah? Is she cold? Yeah, where's her blanket? You don't know? Yeah. Could you find her blanket? She's cold. The baby's cold. Oh, it's not a blanket. That's a basket. There's a basket. It's a basket. Ooh, you found food for the baby. Did you go to the supermarket? Yes? What do you got? Oh, yeah, this baby's cold. She's freezing. She's freezing. She needs a blanket. Can you give her a hug? She needs a hug. She's cold. Give her a hug. Oh, give her a hug. Oh, she's so cold. She's so cold. Give her a hug. Get the baby hug. I'm trying to teach her compassion for others, and it's hard. It's hard raising kids and starting over, because I'm basically starting over with her, because my other kids are so much older. Yeah, you gonna put the baby on the horsey? Make sure you hold the baby, okay? Hold the baby. No, hold her neck. Okay, there you go. Good job, Leah. Good job. No, don't throw her. That's not very nice. Good job, Leah. Good job. Is the baby hungry? Is your baby hungry? Want to feed the baby? No, not me. You have to feed your own baby. Yeah, you have to feed your own baby. I could sit here all day with her. I had to change my shirt because what's the matter? The baby? I had to change my shirt because, oh, what's wrong? Is she hungry? Yeah? Oh, you want me to give her some breast milk? Huh? Yeah? I had to change my shirt because it's like so hot in this house because the AC is off. And then I'm working. My washer is going so... My washer is so loud. Yes, baby. I'm going to go spend time with her. She's sleeping. Usually, I'll catch up on vlogs while she's sleeping because she doesn't really like when I'm not next to her. Look at that precious little face. Okay, so this is the text message I wanted to show you guys. So this is from my man, right? And he said, how you doing today? I said, okay. Just okay. Not good today. Just okay. You? This is me in the gray. I said, I think Jace wants to come and visit for a while. I had a nightmare. Oh man, what about? I'm okay, I guess. Why are you guessing? And Jace coming over is not a bad thing. Laugh out loud. It was about shootout in our backyard. Oh, this is him. He said, I don't depressing ass Jace. I think he meant to say, I don't like depressing ass Jace. I said, why don't you like her? I thought you said you loved her. Ignore my question. No, not at all. I think he's trying to say all right here. He said, I love our three of you, Jace, Janice, and Janice. What's wrong?
Look at this spider.
Okay. You scared me. I thought something else. So, yeah. Okay. I sent him this the other day. I said, found me another man. He said, if you left me for him, go on Janice. Bye, Felicia. So, I'm editing the video and realize I don't have an ending. And also, my mother-in-law is not coming, so I clean the house. I'm going to be nasty and be like, for no reason. Because no one is coming. It's just us. We're just going to enjoy a clean house by ourselves. But anyways, if you guys want to, my husband's reaction to my personalities, I don't call them alters. I don't call them anything else because I don't want it to get creepy. Let me know if you guys want that, and I will do a separate video on that because what I have going on right now is way too long to add him sitting there talking about me, moi, us. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, if you want shout out, you gotta comment on the videos. Bye guys.